Hello, my name is Rupandas. I'm a student of Master School. Currently, I'm in Division Unit, Software Development Batch. So today, in my assignment, that is DS assignment, I need to explain two questions. So the first question I picked is question number 6, which is medicine of life. So the question is saying that so there are three input are given. Uh, First is n, which is the length of the array, and the k value, which is a number, and the array. So in that array, I need to find two value, and that after adding the two value, if it is equal to that k, which is 7, then I need to print possible. For the test case 2 also, if any two value, if I add that two value and I found that value is equal to that 12, that is k, then I need to print possible. If it is not, then I need to print impossible. So let's go and let's start the question, and let's do the question. So it is, the input is given in string, so I do first input dot split. So first I need to find t, that is test case. There are two test case. So it's a number. I can directly write input of 0. Next I need to find, because there are multiple test cases, that's why I need to take one variable. I will take the minus line, and I'm given is 1, because after every one line I have different array. So now let's use a loop for test case. K equal to 0, k less than t, k plus plus. Okay. So now I need to find n, k, and array. So let n, k equal to input of 1, that is line of 1 dot split dot n, because there are multiple 12 points. So number, and let find the array will be line plus 1, line plus 1. So after doing this, I need to increase the line. So line plus equal to, so after two line, it will be the same. So 1. Okay. So let's do the our main code, which is I need to find, I need to use two loop. Let's take one loop, that is I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus increment, and let's take another loop. I'll say this j. I will start from I plus 1, then I will go till n, and I'll go here till n minus 1, and j is plus. Now I'll check the condition. If my array of I and my array of A is equal to k, then I need to take one flag, let flag equal to false. First time it's false. So after finding if it's equal, then I will make my flag as true. Flag equal to true, and flag equal to true, and I'll break the loop, because otherwise again it will change the flag. So break the loop. So I need to break the outer loop also, that is here. I need to break this also. If flag equal to true, I'll simply break the loop. Okay. So this now I'll bring the values. So if flag equal to true, then I'll console possible. Else, that means if the flag is false, console impossible. Okay. So as we can see, I'm getting the output. So if I run the code, it's accepted all the test cases. So this is the first question. Let's go and start the second question. So the next question I want to explain is question number 3, which is moving zeros. So in that question, the question is asking that there is an array, and I have given the size of the array, and in that array I need to move all the zeros to the last, but without using any copy of the array. So I need to move all the zero to the last and the positive numbers to the and other numbers to first at first. So let's go and start the code. First, it's first case. Test case. I have only one test case here. So, zero. K equal to 0. K less than T. Okay. So I need to find n and the array. So let n equal to the first line. So number input of 1, or you can say I I take another variable I is equal to dot by. So next you want the array. So array into lines 1 dot number. So so next need to implement the line. Let's do the main question now. I need to move the zeros to the last without making any copy. Okay. So let's use a loop first. Then I'll use condition like if my array of value, that is array of I, if it is not equal to 0, if it is not equal to 0, then I'll put it in the first place. I mean the current place. It will stay in the current place. That is, let give a variable like position first 0. Okay. So if it is not equal to 0, what I'll do, I array of position, I'll put that value, array of I. Okay. I bring that all the non-zero value I'll put in the line by line, like position 0 to position first, and now I increase the position. Okay, so let console and see what is it the array currently. So array. Okay, I'm getting 1, 12, and 3, but at last I need to put the two zeros. For that, I'll use another loop. That loop will start from current position, and I'll go till array.len, which is nothing but my n. And then I'll start having to increase, and then in every the two position, I'll put 0. Now, if I console array, okay, I'm getting the value. So now I need to just string. Okay, it's accepting all the test cases. So these two questions I explained. Thank you.